Good morning, everyone.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। सर एक सांस में इतना सारा बोल दिया। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। नवदीप गुप्ता प्रेजेंट सर। हाउ आर यू?
I am fine. How are you?
सर आई एम आल्सो फाइन। मॉर्निंग सर। सर आप बताइए। सर आप बताइए।
आतिका बेटा कहाँ छत पे बैठ के पढ़ रही है?
And so did you know sir today is very cold?
Yes, sir. Adhika, are you
Then
there?
later.
Kids?
What?
I'm saying, are you there on your terrace?
No sir.
Achha. Very good.
Sir, where Adlika is there, it is coming, sir, in Bali there, sir, in Bali there is 9 temperature.
9 degrees. Oh my God.
Yes, sir, I have checked now only.
Sir, I think 8 degrees. Sir, I think there is. Sir, I am not correct. Today we will do the exercise 18.2. Sir, wait 2 minutes. Sir, I am searching the weather.
Beta, but
Tell the weather.
okay.
So today is 8 degree weather.
Yes, sir, 8 degrees.
That's too cold. And sir, it is foggy.
Foggy.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am not in Bareilly.
Adhika, you're not in Bareilly. Where are you, Adhika?
Sunday.
Sorry, Adhika, you are in which city?
Saturday it will be 5 degree. Sir, at Saturday it will be 5 degree. Yesterday. Sorry, tomorrow.
अरे रुक जा यार एक मिनट. Adhika, where are you? You are in which city? Adhika, beta, you are in which city right now?
Sir, Bisharpur.
Sir, at
Sorry, where?
Sir, at Farukhabad.
Farukhabad. Okay.
But भाई वो फर्क का बात होता है.
सारी जरा शांत हो जाएंगे थोड़ी देर बहुत बोलना है.
Sorry sir.
Okay, so we have.
Sir, at next Saturday it will be 0 degrees Celsius.
So it is, on Saturday it is very cold, 0 degrees Celsius.
Tomorrow.
Snow.
Tomorrow the temperature.
No sir. No sir. No sir. After this Saturday.
Next. Okay. Saturday after this one. Okay.
So tomorrow will be 19 degree weather.
No 5 degree.
Okay, so have you all made that table in your notebooks, everyone?
Yes, sir.
I have sent you the paper. Sir, today is 5 degrees Celsius.
अरे तुम जा भाई अब हो गई टेम्परेचर बताना बंद कर दे वेदर फोरकास्ट.
Sir, please start the exercise 18.2.
Before starting the exercise, I will have to explain some things, some concepts to you all.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So first of all, do you all know what are triangles? Triangles क्या होते हैं मालूम है आपको?
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir, I can tell.
Yes, yes. Yes, tell me what are triangles? Anyone?
Sir, triangle is three sides, three verticals and three angles. Triangle is a plain closed figure having three sides, three verticals
Triangle is a plain closed figure having three sides, three vertex, and three angles.
Yes.
Sarah, triangle is a plain closed figure having three sides, three vertex, and three angles.
Yes, a closed figure made up of three line segments is known as a triangle. देखिए ये closed figure है. It is having three line segments. First line segment is this. Second line segment is this. And third line segment is this. Okay. So these are the three line segments. A closed figure made up of three line segments is known as a triangle. So is this a triangle? If I make it like this, is this a triangle?
No, sir. No, sir.
How many line segments are there in this figure? How many line segments are there? It is having three line segments. This figure is also having three line segments. कितनी lines हैं यहाँ पर? How many line segments are there? Three. Still, it is not a triangle. It is not a triangle. Why? Because it is not closed. क्या ये closed figure है? नहीं है closed. This one is
No,
a
sir.
closed figure. ये closed figure है.
Yes, sir.
So this is a triangle. This is not a triangle. Okay. So a closed figure made up of three sides is known as a triangle. A closed figure made up of four sides is known as a quadrilateral. For example, this. If I make something like this, made up of four sides, how many sides are there in this? How many line segments?
Sir,
It is a quadrilateral.
Yes. So there are four line segments and it is a closed figure. A closed figure. Closed है मतलब चारों तरफ से रास्ता बंद है देख लीजिए. So it is a closed figure. When there is a closed figure made up of four line segments, then it is called a quadrilateral.
quadrilateral.
क्या बुलाते हैं?
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral में जो quad word आता है, quad is used for four. You know what is the meaning of quad? Quad का meaning क्या होता है?
Sir, four.
Quad का
four.
meaning four.
Sir, four.
English में try का meaning क्या होता है?
Sir, three. Sir, three.
Yes. What is the meaning of try? Try का meaning होता है three.
Sir, three.
Okay. So if there is a closed figure made up of five line segments, how many line segments are there in this? Five.
Sir, five.
तो इसको क्या बुलाएंगे? पेंटागन.
Pentagon.
तो बुलाएंगे पेंटागन. पेंटा का मीनिंग क्या होता है? पेंटा का मीनिंग होता है फाइव.
Five.
क्वाड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? फोर.
Four.
ट्राई का मीनिंग क्या होता है? थ्री. So this is a triangle. It has three sides. Quadrilateral has four sides. Pentagon has five sides. Hexagon has six sides. Septagon has seven sides, and so on. Now we are going to study types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals का आपने कल आपने table बनाया था. Do you all remember the table that we made yesterday?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So first was pentagon, and in this opposite sides are equal and parallel,
So I will explain.
and always the angles are equal.
I will explain all the figures that we made yesterday. Okay. Pay attention. Everyone. The first one that I will explain here is your parallelogram.
Learn the table.
The first type of quadrilateral. So this is a type of quadrilateral. First one is parallelogram. You have already written this in the notebook. Do you all know what are parallel lines? Do you all know what are parallel lines?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो नहीं पता आपको parallel line? This line and this line, these are two parallel lines. These are parallel lines. Parallel lines का meaning क्या होता है? The lines
that never together that are parallel. Sir, these are the lines. Sir, that are never. What is it? Sir,
So the lines which are side by
lines
side
that
and
never
having the
together.
same distance.
the lines that go side by side but will never meet each other are known as parallel lines. तो ऐसी लाइन जो एक दूसरे के साथ साथ चलेंगी but एक दूसरे को कभी meet नहीं करेंगी are examples of parallel lines. For example, you have lot of live examples in front of you of parallel lines. आपके सामने बहुत सारे examples हैं parallel lines के आपके आसपास. For example, this mobile phone, this and this, these two sides of my mobile phone, this one and this one, these two are parallel lines. Am I right or not? Are these
Yes,
parallel
sir.
lines? This side and
Yes, sir.
this side at the bottom.
Yes, sir.
So these
Yes,
are
sir.
examples
Parallel
of
line.
parallel lines.
Parallel line.
तो parallel lines ये होती हैं. And one more very important and very
The wall,
example,
sir, up and down.
very good example of parallel lines I'm going to give you now. That is the railway track. Railway track आपने देखा है कभी?
Yes,
Railway
sir.
track की जो
Two or three times.
दोनों tracks होते हैं, they are parallel to each other or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, they
Yes,
are
sir.
parallel to each other. So they are also
Sir,
parallel lines. So parallel lines आप समझ गए क्या होती हैं? Parallel lines. So these are parallel lines.
Yes,
I'm drawing two more lines here on the board. You have to tell me whether these lines are parallel or not. This one and this one. Are these two lines parallel to each other?
yes, sir.
Sir,
These are parallel. Parallel or not?
no, sir.
They are also parallel.
No, sir.
These are not parallel and these are parallel. Why?
Sir, because they can meet. Sir, they can meet each other.
If you produce the two lines further, अगर आप इसको आगे produce
It
करेंगे,
will
they
meet
will
each other.
meet each other. They will intersect each other. एक दूसरे को intersect करेंगे. That means these are not parallel lines. But here in this case, if we produce these lines further, they will
So
still
they
never
will not meet.
they will not meet. आप इसको कितना भी produce कर लीजिए, दोनों side में produce करके देख लीजिए. These will never meet each other. Yes.
Meet each other.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, as they are called parallel, so that they are called non-parallel lines.
Yes. These are non-parallel lines. These are non-parallel lines and these are parallel lines. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Got it. So in a parallelogram, नाम से ही पता चल रहा है parallelogram में क्या होता है. The opposite sides are parallel to each other. For example,
Okay.
this parallelogram which I have drawn on the board, इसमें opposite sides क्या है, एक दूसरे के parallel हैं. Are you getting my point? Here the side
Yes, sir.
AB is parallel to CD. क्या ये दोनों साइड जिन पे मैंने एरोस बनाए हैं, ये दोनों एक दूसरे की पैरेलल हैं या नहीं है, बताइए. Are these two sides
Yes, sir.
parallel to each other? Yes,
Yes,
they
sir.
are parallel. So opposite sides are, this is one pair, but both the pairs in a parallelogram are parallel to each other. Not only these two, even these two sides are also parallel to each other. ये दोनों भी
Yes,
parallel हैं. AB
Yes,
is
sir.
parallel to
It
CD and
to CD,
AD
sir.
is parallel to BC. So therefore, this type of figure is called as a parallelogram. क्या है ये?
Parallel.
Parallelogram. एक और parallelogram में खास बात होती है, क्या होता है? That opposite sides are equal in length. Opposite sides की length भी equal होती है. For example, if the length of side AB is 10 centimeter, आप लोग 10 centimeter draw कर सकते हैं कॉपी पे अपनी. If I ask you to draw a line of 10 centimeter, बना लेंगे? Can you draw it on your copies? 10 centimeter line
Yes,
segment.
sir.
मैं बनाने
Yes,
को नहीं
sir.
बोल रहा हूँ, मैं बस पूछ रहा हूँ, कैन यू ड्रॉ इट और नॉट? यू डोंट हैव टू ड्रॉ इट, आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग.
Yes, sir, we can draw it.
Do
It
you
is
know
very
how
easy.
to draw it? 10 centimeter.
Yes, sir. Sir,
So-
we have to put a scale and we have to mark
Yes,
out
sir.
0 to 10.
With the
and
help
we
of a
will
scale, you can draw it very easily. So this is 10 centimeter. This is also 10 centimeter. So in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. And if this is 6, this is also 6.
Sir, today we will do. Sir, we have to draw this only. Sir,
Then
today we
beta,
will
you
do
don't have to draw
18.2
anything.
exercise or not.
You don't have to draw anything in your copies. Okay, this is just for explanation.
Okay, sir.
तो ये हो गया आपका पैरेललोग्राम. पैरेललोग्राम में अपोजिट साइड्स की लेंथ इक्वल होती है और पैरेलल भी होती है. AB is parallel to CD, also AB is equal to CD. ये वाली भी 10 है, वो वाली भी 10 है. This is 6, this is also 6. Okay, so that is why this is a parallelogram. आगे बढ़ते हैं, एक और अगले एग्जांपल पे आ जाते हैं. That is a rectangle. चलो मैं इसको इरेज नहीं करता हूँ. Let me draw a rectangle here. कर ही दिया, कर ही देते हैं, और बचा क्या है इसमें. पैरेललोग्राम को मैं क्वाड्रिलेटरल बुला सकता हूँ. पैरेललोग्राम इज अ टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल, am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because parallelogram also has 4 sides. So yes, it
4
is
sides.
also a quadrilateral. So this is a parallelogram, and now I will draw a rectangle. You have to tell me what is same in a rectangle and a parallelogram. दोनों में क्या चीज सेम होती है, आपको मुझे बताना है.
So the same thing is that if we draw the these up and down lines, so it will be in same length, and the side line will be also same, and the S and R will not, these line will not meet each other.
Correct. So the same thing between a parallelogram and a rectangle. What is same in a rectangle and a parallelogram? क्या होता है same? Same is that here also opposite sides are parallel to each other and equal to each other. यहाँ पर भी ये 10 है अगर, तो ये भी आपकी 10 हो जाएगी. If suppose this is 7, तो ये भी आपकी 7 हो जाएगी. Okay. So in a rectangle also opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. Length भी equal होती है, parallel भी होती है. Opposite sides of a rectangle. Parallelogram में भी ऐसा ही होता है. Now what is the difference between a rectangle and a parallelogram? Difference क्या है? What is the difference between a rectangle and a parallelogram?
Can I tell, sir? Can I tell?
The
Sir,
difference.
can I tell, sir, please?
Yes.
So
Sir, rectangle meet. The rectangle has 4 lines and 4 edges. Sir, I can't understand. Sir,
Okay.
please repeat the question.
What is the difference between a
Sir,
rectangle and a parallelogram? What is the difference?
there a rectangle
Rectangle
has
में
4 right angles,
the
and a
difference-
parallelogram is having it is having 2 parallel pairs of opposite sides also.
देखिए
they
and
both have-
what is the difference? Same चीज तो आपने
they
देखी
both-
क्या होती है. In a parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel.
Excuse me, sir.
In
Can
a
I tell?
rectangle also, just wait now. अब मैं बता रहा हूँ, आप लोग सुनिए ध्यान से. सेम क्या है रेक्टेंगल और पैरेललोग्राम में? अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. डिफरेंस क्या है? द डिफरेंस इज दैट इन अ रेक्टेंगल ऑल द एंगल्स आर राइट एंगल्स. राइट एंगल जानते हैं क्या होता है? व्हाट आर राइट एंगल्स? 90 डिग्रीज एंगल जो होते हैं वो राइट एंगल होते हैं, आपको मालूम है ये बात? नहीं मालूम?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here all the four angles are right angles, whereas in a parallelogram यहाँ पर कोई भी एंगल 90 डिग्री का नहीं होता है. Is this angle a right angle? क्या ये वाला एंगल आपको राइट एंगल दिख रहा है?
No, sir.
No. So in a parallelogram the angles are not right angles, whereas in a rectangle all the angles are of 90 degrees. That means they all are right angles. Okay, understood?
Oh, yes, sir. Understood.
This is the
So
difference
a
between
rectangle has
parallelogram.
90 right angles, but
अगले
parallelogram don't have.
जी अगला फिगर पकड़ लेते हैं. The next figure is rhombus. The next figure is rhombus. Rhombus में और parallelogram में भी कुछ similarity होती है, कुछ difference होता है. Similarity तो है क्या है? Opposite side इसमें भी parallel होती है. So I
Yes, sir.
indicate as A, B, C, D. In a rhombus also the opposite sides are parallel. That means AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. इसमें भी opposite sides parallel हैं आपकी. What is the difference in a parallelogram?
Sir,
आपने देखा है
sir,
that is opposite
because
sides are
opposite
equal.
side.
In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, whereas in a rhombus, all the four sides are equal to
Yes, sir. Opposite
चारों
sides
sides
are.
equal होती हैं. तो if one side is 6 सेंटीमीटर है,
So like
अगर
a
एक
square.
साइड आपकी 6 है, केवल एक साइड आपकी 6 है, तो बाकी सारी साइड भी 6 हो जाएंगी. All the four sides are equal.
Okay, sir.
Understood? What is a rhombus?
Okay, sir.
Now the last one is a square.
Sir,
Sir,
sir, trapezium also. Sir, trapezium also is left.
हाँ अभी अभी बताते हैं.
the Zoom was showing my name under your camera.
अच्छा.
Sir, because of the network problem sometimes.
What is a square? In a square, let us name it.
Sir, all the four sides are equal and two pairs of opposite sides are parallel.
तो स्क्वायर में भी क्या है? All the four sides are equal. स्क्वायर में भी चारों साइड इक्वल हैं. तो rhombus और square में भी कुछ similarity होती है. क्या similarity होती है? In a rhombus also all the four sides are equal.
So that four sides
Whereas
are
in a square
equal.
also all the four sides are equal. But what is the difference between a rhombus and a square? Big
So
difference
that
is parallelogram or rectangle.
the rhombus is not having 90 degree, but square is having 90 degree angle.
Very good.
Sir, the thermos is not having 90 degree, but the square
Yes,
is having
yes,
90
correct,
degree.
correct, correct. Square has all the four angles, right angles. Square में चारों angle 90 के होते हैं. Whereas in a rhombus, all the angles are not right angles. Right angle कोई भी नहीं होता है इसमें. तो rectangle और square में भी similarity है. क्या similarity है? What is the similarity between a rectangle and a square?
Sir, because they are 90 degree. Sir,
Yes.
angles is also.
They are
Similarity
90
between a
degrees
rectangle and a
angle.
square is that
And sir,
all the
square is
angles
also
are
90
90 degrees in both the figures. दोनों में सारे एंगल 90 के होते हैं. डिफरेंस क्या है दोनों में? What is the difference?
Sir, the two sides of rectangles are equal and two sides. Sir, in a square all sides are equal, but in rectangle all sides are not equal.
Yes. In a rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Opposite वाली जो sides होती है सिर्फ वो equal होती है.
Yes,
This is equal to this
Yes.
and this is equal to this. Whereas in a square all the four sides are equal. Okay. So this is the difference. Understood all the four figures? Now the
Yes,
last
sir.
one that is left is the trapezium.
Trapezium.
पैरेललोग्राम में अपोजिट साइड्स के दोनों पेयर पैरेलल होते हैं. ट्रेपेजियम में बस एक ही पेयर पैरेलल होता है. सिर्फ इतना का डिफरेंस है ट्रेपेजियम एंड पैरेललोग्राम में. और इतने से डिफरेंस की वजह से
One
मुझे
one
आसान
is left. Nepotism.
Sir, after this we will start the exercise 18.2 today only.
Let's see. If time
Okay,
is
sir.
left, we will do it.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is nepotism.
At what time this period will get over?
Trapezium.
This period will get
Sir,
over at 12.
12:50.
12:50.
12:50.
12:50.
It will get
Yes,
over at
12:50
12:50.
p.m.
So this is a trapezium. 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 Trapezium, in a trapezium, only one. Sorry.
So one pair of opposite sides is parallel.
Yes. There is only one pair of opposite sides which is parallel. So PQ and RS are parallel to each other. Am I right or not? PQ is parallel
Yes,
to
sir.
RS.
Yes, yes, sir.
दोनों parallel नहीं है? PQ and RS. Yes, they are
Yes, sir.
parallel.
They are parallel.
Is the
So
other
if
pair
we proceed
of
to
opposite
they will
sides
not meet.
PS? क्या यहाँ पर PS
Yes, sir.
RQ के parallel है या नहीं है? PS is
Yes,
parallel
sir.
to
Yes,
RQ.
sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
PS is parallel to
Yes, sir.
RQ. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
PS and RQ are not parallel. बेटा कैसे पैरेलल? अगर आप इन दोनों को प्रोड्यूस करेंगे आगे, ये दोनों तो मीट कर जाएंगे आगे जाकर के. Am I right or not? इन दोनों को
Yes,
प्रोड्यूस
sir.
करने के
Yes,
लिए हम दोनों एक दूसरे को मीट करेंगे नहीं करेंगे?
Yes, sir.
If I
yes, sir.
produce them
Yes,
further.
sir.
So are they parallel?
Yes.
ये दोनों sides
No,
parallel?
sir.
No, they are
No,
No,
not
sir.
parallel.
They are not
No,
parallel.
sir.
हाँ, so what is the difference between a trapezium and a parallelogram? क्या difference निकला?
So what?
What is the difference
So
between
can
a
you?
parallelogram and a trapezium? What is the difference?
So in trapezium, one pair of opposite sides is parallel, and in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel.
Sir, in the trapezium, sir,
The angles are opposite angles are equal,
parallelogram, two sides are equal
and
and
all
two
four
sides are
angles are
parallel.
unequal in trapezium.
In a trapezium, there is only one pair of opposite sides which is parallel to each other. केवल एक ही pair होता है. Only PQ is
sir.
parallel to RS. Only one pair is there in a trapezium. Whereas in a parallelogram, दोनों pair opposite sides के ऐसे होते हैं जो एक दूसरे के parallel होते हैं.
Okay.
आई बात समझ में या नहीं
Okay.
आई?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if AB CD is a parallelogram, यहाँ पर क्या होगा? AB is parallel to CD. ये दोनों parallel हैं. Am I right or not? AB is parallel to CD. Also, AD is parallel to BC. AD और BC भी एक दूसरे के parallel हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पर trapezium में ऐसा हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है?
No, sir. In
No.
trapezium, they
So
meet
have you
each
understood
other.
the difference between a parallelogram and a trapezium?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
ये जितने भी
Yes, sir.
फिगर्स मैंने अभी आपको बताए, yesterday only you wrote it down in your notebooks. आपने टेबल बनाया था उसमें ये भी.
Yes, sir.
Now you understand the table that you made yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understand.
Okay. So all the 5 shapes, ये पांचों जो shapes आपने बनाई कल अपनी कॉपी में, what is common?
Yes,
याद आ
sir.
रहा है सर हमने बनाए हैं।
सब में एक
So
चीज
they
सेम
are.
है. वो क्या चीज सेम है? In all the 4 figures, in all the 5 figures, what is the same thing?
So they have four sides, sir. They have four sides.
They have four sides.
Exactly.
So they have four sides.
Exactly correct.
They
Very
have
good.
four sides.
Yes. So this is the similarity in all the 5 shapes. चारों में सारी 5 shapes में क्या होता है? There are 4 sides. That means I can say that all the 5 shapes जो मैंने आपको कल पढ़ाई, मतलब कल कॉपी में नोट कराई थी, आज मैंने समझाया भी है. All these are types of.
Coordinators. Coordinators.
Coordinators.
All these are types of coordinators. समझ में आ गया?
Sir,
आपने
yes.
टाइप्स
Yes,
ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स पढ़ लिया था डे बिफोर यस्टरडे,
Yes,
मतलब
sir.
2-3 दिन पहले पढ़ा था टाइप्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स। अब आपने क्या पढ़ लिया? टाइप्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल भी पढ़ लिया।
Quadrilateral.
कौन कौन से टाइप के क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स हैं एक बार और फिर से मुझे बताइए। टेल मी द नेम्स।
Parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus, and trapezium.
वेरी गुड।
सर सीतू सर साक्षी सर सर हम मुन्ने को कहीं नहीं देती।
शताक्षी कीप योर माइक। हाँ गुप्ता जी बताइए चलिए।
तो सर बोली क्या तुम? हाँ सर जी मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ सर कि आप इन 5 मिनट में सर एक एक्टिविटी करवा दीजिए। सर बहुत मुझसे करनी है।
गुप्ता
So
जी
please
बात
can
तो
you
बताओ।
explain? So can you please explain us exercise?
Okay, we are doing an activity. You have to write your answer in the chat box. Be ready.
Yes, sir.
You thanks sir you.
I have switched off all the mics. ठीक है? Turned off all the mics. Activity करा रहे हैं. I am going to ask you a question. Only 5 minutes are remaining. The question is: give the names of all the 5 types of quadrilaterals. Give the names of all the 5 types of quadrilaterals. Okay, write your answers. Give the names of all the 5 types of quadrilaterals. One by one, you are writing the answers. I wanted you to write all the names together in one message. सारे names एक साथ लिख करके भेजने थे. Write all the names together in one message. Very good, beta. Almost everyone, not all, have given the correct answers. जी देखना, मेहरोत्रा जी ट्रायंगल के टाइप्स बता रहे हैं. Okay, the first one to give all the names correctly is Shatakshi. Very good. Second is जिसने सारे नेम्स लिख के दिए हैं एक साथ, उस बच्चे का नाम है, सारे नेम्स एक साथ जिसने लिखे हैं, मैं वही ढूंढ रहा हूँ. दक्ष मेहरोत्रा तो ट्रायंगल का नाम बता रहे हैं. हाँ, the second one is Navdeep Gupta. Very good. Third one is Parth Gupta. Very good. Fourth one is Vishesh Srivastava. Fourth is Vishesh. And fifth is Govind Bhargava. Very good, beta. कमाल कर दिया. Yes, Satakshi, you are saying something?
Sir, sir, please tell who has written all the that names in one message only.
You were the first one. बताया मैंने अभी. You were the first. Then उसके बाद और बच्चों ने भी लिखे हैं. First Satashi. Second is I think second one कौन था यहाँ पे? Second was Navdeep Gupta. Third Parth Gupta. दोनों गुप्ता जी. Fourth Vishesh Srivastava and fifth Govind Bhardwaj. हाँ जी मेहरोत्रा जी, what are you saying?
Sir, what was the question? I forgot it.
I asked you that you have to write the names of all the 5 types of quadrilaterals. All types of quadrilaterals.